let's come on. So now we'll begin with a chapter, that is chapter number first from our book a Beehive, and the name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. So we were talking about the future schools, right? कि future schools क्या होने वाले हैं. So here there are two kids, Tommy and Margie. And where are they both? Tommy and Margie दोनों कहाँ हैं? टॉमी एंड मार्गी जो है ना 2157 में पहुंच चुके हैं एंड दे आर जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट टाइम. सो जस्ट इमेजिन हम अभी 2021 में हैं, 2157 इतना मतलब आगे जाके की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. सो यू कैन सी देयर वुड हैव बीन ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस इन एवरीथिंग. सो द एजुकेशन इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. सब कुछ मैकेनिकल लेवल पे हो गया है. ऑल थिंग्स हैव बीन टर्न टू वर्चुअल रियलिटीज. तो ये बिल्कुल कन्वर्जन आ गए हैं. सो यहाँ पे टॉमी एंड मार्गी जो है ना, दे बोथ आर एंजॉयिंग देयर वर्चुअल क्लासरूम्स. They have robotic teachers, that is the mechanical teachers, and in between they found a real book, the books that we have. So उनके हिसाब से these books have been related to their grandfather and उन्हें एक real book मिलती है. They have the mechanical books. Now they found what kind of book? Real book. तो ये जो रियल बुक है ना, उसको लेकर के उनके बीच में डिस्कशन चल रहा है. नाउ इन द मैकेनिकल टीचर ऑफ मार्गी देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम अकॉर्डिंग टू द मदर, बिकॉज जो मार्गी है ना, शी इज कंटिन्यूअसली बीइंग गिविंग द ज्योग्राफी टेस्ट एंड हर परफॉर्मेंस इज गेटिंग वर्स एंड वर्स. So the mother is little much worried and she wanted to know that what exactly is the problem. So in order to clear that problem, she just calls the county inspector. ओके वो किसको बुला लेते हैं? काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर को बुला लेते हैं. नाउ काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर कम्स एंड जस्ट टेक्स अवे द टीचर, टेक्स अपार्ट द टीचर फॉर सम टाइम एंड वो वहां पे उसको पूरा चेक करते हैं दैट वेदर ही कैन क्लियर अप ऑल द थिंग्स. तो ये सारा एक मैटर चल रहा है. नाउ आफ्टर फिनिशिंग द वर्क completely doing the work, completely packing up the teacher together and placing it at its place, and the lessons are again started coming. So now this point have been finished in our previous class and today we are going to take it further. Inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. Now, Inspector smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. And he said to his mother that it's not your girl's fault. इसमें मार्गी की कोई गलती नहीं है, Mrs. Jones. I think जो geography sector है ना, it has been geared a little too quick than the average age of your girl, than an average 10-year level. So actually the overall pattern of Margie's progress is satisfactory, and the problem was with the geography section as well because it was working at some higher level grade and Margie जो है she is a little lower level. That average 10-year level पे जो चीज चलनी है उसको आप हाई गियर पे डाल दोगे तो इट वुड डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम. सो सेम थिंग हैज हैपेंड. तो ऐसा अभी हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. And saying that Margie's performance is satisfactory, he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed and she had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Now Margie was very much disappointed. Why? Because उसे एक उम्मीद थी. She was hoping that they are going to take the teacher away altogether. Why? Because एक बार ऐसा ही टॉमी के टीचर के साथ में हुआ था, हिस्ट्री सेक्टर, and it completely blanked out and it was taken away for nearly about a month. So Margie was also having the same hopes, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So she said to Tommy को उसने बोला, "Why would anyone write about school?" Now they come back to the book that they have found, and now Margie is saying to Tommy that, "Tommy, I wanted to know one thing, that why anyone, कि क्यों कोई भी जो person होगा, why would that person write about books or schools or anything related to school? Why about school? Because school, there is nothing to write about school according to Margie." Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundred and hundreds of years ago. Now Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. ठीक है? Because it's not our kind of school. And he says, stupid, it's not our kind of school. This is the old kind of school जो hundred and hundreds of years ago पहले हुआ करता था, like in the time of our great grandfathers. And he added loftily, like in a superior way, he also said, pronouncing the word carefully, बहुत carefully होता है ना, जोर दे के किसी शब्द को आप बोलते हो. He says, centuries ago I am talking of. Maggie was hurt. Maggie बहुत hurt थी. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. Maggie says, well, I really don't know कि उस समय में कैसे स्कूल हुआ करते थे. Which time they're talking of? Centuries ago. That is hundred and hundreds of years ago. And she read the book over his shoulder for a while. Now she's reading the book over his shoulder for a while, and then she said, anyway, they had a teacher. And she says, anyway, उनके पास में टीचर तो थे, हमारे पास में तो वो भी नहीं है. So now this is the big problem. Okay, now see. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much, I bet. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with a laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Now, surely they had a teacher. उनके पास teacher तो था. Sure, they had a teacher, but ये एक रेगुलर टीचर नहीं. इट वॉजंट अ रेगुलर टीचर. ये हमारी तरह कोई मैकेनिकल रेगुलर टीचर नहीं था. इट वॉज अ मैन हु कम्स एंड टीचेस देम. नाउ मार्गी पॉइंट्स अ क्वेश्चन, अ मैन? क्या बात कर रहे हो, एक मैन पढ़ाता था? हाउ कुड अ मैन बी अ टीचर? एक मैन टीचर कैसे हो सकता है? वेल, he just man ही होता था वहां पे टीचर. एंड he just told the boys and girls things about various things, gave them homework and asked them questions. So what work does the teacher do over there? That he explained the things to boys and girls, gives them the homework and also asks them the questions. But now Margie says a man isn't smart enough. Man itna smart to nahi hota that he can become a teacher. But he says, no, sure he is. Man is very smart, because I can say this because my father knows as much as my teacher. मेरे पापा को भी उतनी knowledge है जितनी कि मेरे teacher को है. Now further what he says, he knows. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Now he says, yes, I can bet that he knows almost as much as my teacher. And Margie says that she was not prepared at all to dispute that at any cost. And she said that I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. मैं कभी भी किसी strange man को, I am not going to allow any man to come to my house and teach me. Now Tommy just started screaming with laughter. वो जोर जोर से हंसने लगा. Why? He says, Margie, तुम्हें ज़्यादा पता तो है नहीं. Teachers didn't come and live in your house with you. They had a special building. उनकी एक special building होती है. And all the kids went there. एक special building है जहाँ सारे बच्चे जाके पढ़ते हैं. Now what is that building? It is school. स्कूल है वो बिल्डिंग जहाँ पे टीचर्स भी होते हैं, बच्चे भी होते हैं, जहाँ पे पढ़ाई का काम होता है. The base is known as, the special building is known as school. And all the kids learn the same thing, and सभी बच्चे same चीज सीखते हैं. Sure, if they were the same age, but you have to make it sure that they are of the same age. Now the thing is, now like from your house, suppose you 5 children are coming and 5 from your neighborhood are coming, so all the 10 are not going to study the same thing. 10 के 10 आप सेम चीज नहीं पढ़ोगे. Why? Because all are of different age group. Now suppose there is a child who is just 4 years old, दो बच्चे हैं, and you are 15 years old. So according to 15 years, you must have been studying in your 9th or 10th standard. And 4th class का जो बच्चा है, he is able to study the standard nursery or KG, we can say, right? So अब नर्सरी, केजी एंड 9th को क्या हम साथ बिठा के पढ़ा सकते हैं? सेम थिंग? नो. सो सारे बच्चे सेम चीज पढ़ते हैं. कहने का मतलब दैट अमंग द 10 चिल्ड्रन, इफ देयर आर 5 चिल्ड्रन हु आर इन क्लास 9, तो वो 5 के 5 बच्चे क्लास 9 में एक साथ पढ़ेंगे. Okay, clear है? So all the kids learn the same thing, but sure that they were the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Now student, this is a very simple thing that हर जो बच्चा होता है ना is of a different kind. ठीक है, कुछ को किसी तरीके से समझ में आता है, कुछ को किसी तरीके से आता है, कुछ को एक बार बोलते ही विद इन फ्यू सेकेंड समझ में आता है. सम चिल्ड्रन टेक अ लिटिल टाइम एंड लिटिल डीपर एक्सप्लेनेशन टू अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग. सो चीज ये होती है कि just know that my mother says, तो मागी says that my mother says कि टीचर को ना इतना एडजस्टेबल होना चाहिए, टीचर हैज टू बी सो फ्लेक्सिबल एंड सो एडजस्टेबल that she is able to or she is capable of fitting into each boy and girl's mind. हर बच्चे के दिमाग में वो टीचर फिट होना चाहिए, ठीक है, हर वो बॉय हर वो गर्ल जिसे वो टीचर पढ़ा रहा है, बिकॉज ईच किड हैज टू बी टॉट डिफरेंटली एंड दैट डज नॉट मीन कि क्लास में 5 बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ में नहीं आ रही है बट रिमेनिंग 45 इज एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, सो आई कैन इग्नोर दोस 5 की कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, अभी इन्हें समझ में नहीं आ रही तो व्हाट कैन आई डू. No, this is a wrong attitude for a teacher, but I should be so adjustable that I have to see कि ये 45 को तो इस वे में समझ आया, but how the remaining 5 are going to understand. So I have to adapt that way to teach them, जिससे कि उन 5 बच्चों को भी समझ में आएगा. Okay, so just the same they didn't do it that way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Now just the same, बिल्कुल same बात है, they didn't do it that way then, but ऐसा वो नहीं करता है. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. तो अगर आपको नहीं मन तो आप बुक मत पढ़ो. मार्गी को इज सेइंग कि छोड़ो, तुम्हें जब चीजें अच्छी नहीं लग रही हैं, whatever I am telling you regarding those books or regarding that type of schooling, if you do not agree with it, if you are not liking these things, then leave it. क्यों पढ़ना छोड़ो, leave reading the book. Now Margie says, she quickly said, I didn't say that I didn't like it. मैंने ये थोड़ी कहा that I am not liking it. She wanted to read about those funny schools and she says that I really wanted to study about those funny schools, and they weren't in a half finished when Margie's mother called Margie's school. Now they have just not finished half book they were reading कि उतने में मार्गी की मम्मी की आवाज आ गई and she's saying, Margie, come, it's what, it's school time. Okay, now it's probably what time? School time. It's the time for school. Now Margie looked up at the clock and said, not yet, Mama. Abhi to nahi hai time. Now, said Mrs. Jones. Now Mrs. Jones said, and it's probably time for Tommy too. And she says, Tommy ka bhi samay hai abhi, class ka. Margie said to Tommy. Now, what did Margie said to Tommy? She said, can I read the book some more with you after school? Now Margie says, Tommy, I wish to read this book, and after school, can I read this book with you? And maybe he said, just showing not much interest and very careless manner, he says, maybe, हाँ हो सकता है, शायद तुम पढ़ लो मेरे साथ, let's see क्या होता है. No means he did not give a sure answer. And he walked away whistling, and whistle करता हुआ गया and holding that dusty old book tucked beneath his arms. And Margie went into the schoolroom. Now Margie went into her schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. And where was the schoolroom located? Right next to the bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. And the mechanical teacher was where? Was on. Started थे वो, उनकी screen चल रही थी, teacher was there and waiting for Margie. And it was always on that same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. And he was a mechanical teacher, was a regular teacher which was there every day at the same time except 2 days, Saturdays and Sundays. Because now Margie's mother has another thought, and Margie's mother said, little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Now she says कि जो little girls होती है ना, they learns better. वो बहुत अच्छा लर्न करती है, बहुत अच्छा सीखती हैं इफ दे लर्न एट रेगुलर आवर्स, अगर वो चीजों को रेगुलर आवर्स पे सीखना शुरू करते हैं. The screen was lit up and it said, now the screen was lit up and what did it said? Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. That आज का जो हमारा arithmetic lesson है, it's on addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in proper slot. Now what you have to do? You have to insert your yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Margie do so with a sigh, and she was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Now you can see hundreds and hundreds of years ago, तो मतलब grandfather के भी grandfather के time की बात हो रही है. So Maggie ने बहुत ही एक emotional instinct के साथ में she did that she put the homework in the homework slot, test papers in the test paper slot, but she was thinking about the old school जो उनके grandfathers के grandfather के हुआ करते थे when they were little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting together in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. Now, all the kids from the whole neighborhood, they came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom. सबके सब क्या थे? They all were sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. And they were going home what? They were going home together at the end of the day. सुबह साथ में आते, मस्ती करते, हंसते, खेलते, चिल्लाते, स्कूल में साथ में बैठते in the classroom, school rooms, and at the end of the day साथ ही वापस अपने घर भी जाते. So you can just imagine कितना fun है, कितनी मस्ती वाली बात है ये, है ना? So see, they learned the same things so they could help one another with homework and talk about it. They learned, वो same चीज सीखते थे. तो उससे क्या होता है? If there are 2 or 3 people learn the same thing, तो अगर किसी एक person को एक चीज नहीं आ रही है, so other can help one another and with homework and they can just talk about it. And the teachers were people, and the most amazing thing were that the schools that existed hundreds and hundreds of years ago, वहां पे जो टीचर्स थे ना, who were they were people. Now at this time when Margie was just thinking about all these things, the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. A mechanical teacher, which class was going on? Mathematics. तो मैथमेटिक्स के जो टीचर थे, it was flashing a sum, that is a calculation for Margie to do, and that was when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 and so on, further continuing the question. And what was it said? That when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, so ultimately उनकी आज मैथ्स की क्लास किस चीज पे बेस थी? On the fractions. So Margie was thinking about how the kid must have loved in the old days. Now Margie अभी भी सामने तो टीचर वर्क फ्लैश कर रहा ऑन द स्क्रीन, बट मार्गी वाज लॉस्ट इन थॉट्स एंड शी वाज सिटिंग थॉटफुल. एंड वो किस चीज के बारे में सोच रही थी? शी वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट द किड्स, कि किस तरीके से किड वुड हैव लव्ड द स्कूल इन दोस ओल्ड डेज, एंड शी वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट द फन दे हैड. And here it comes where the title is justified, that Margie was thinking about the fun they had, and they refers to the grandfather's grandfather when he was a little boy and he used to go to the school, which was a special building where all the children, all the teachers came together. They explained the topics to the children, they gave them homework, and they asked them the questions. And students from all neighborhood came laughing, shouting together in the schoolyard, sit together in the schoolroom, and at the end of the day, they go home together. So all the thing was the real fun. If Margie is going to compare it to her present mechanical teaching or her virtual classroom, so she is really lost in her thoughts, thinking about the old days and the fun that they used to have. Okay, they means the grandfather's grandfather. This was really a very interesting chapter written by Isaac Asimov. Now look here, thinking about the text. Answer this question in few words or a couple of sentences each. How old are Margie and Tommy? Margie was 11 and Tommy was 13 years old. What did Margie wrote in her diary? That today Tommy found a real book. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, she hadn't seen a book before. What things about the book she finds strange? That everything, every word or text that was written on the book, when you turn to the next page and you come back to it again, you find that the words are still there in कंपैरिजन टू दैट जो उनकी टेली बुक्स होती है, ऑन दैट जो टेक्स्ट होता है इट कीप्स ऑन मूविंग, बट यहाँ पे क्या है, द टेक्स्ट इज स्टेबल. सो दिस वाज द वन थिंग शी रियली फाउंड स्ट्रेंज. Okay, next question. What do you think a telebook is? Telebook is a e-book. Basically क्या है, ये एक e-book है, ऑनलाइन बुक. So जो कहाँ पे अवेलेबल होती है, on your computer screens or on your television screen while you are having your virtual classrooms. Now, what was Margie's? Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Margie का स्कूल कहाँ था? Just next to her bedroom and in her house. And did she have any classmates? No, she did not have any classmates. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Margie and Tommy क्या subjects पढ़ते थे? Now see, geography and mathematics हमने Margie के लिए देखा है, and टॉमी के लिए क्या देखा था? Once his history teacher was taken away, right? याद है ना? So Tommy used to study what? History. So these three are the subjects mentioned. Clear? Now see question number 2. Answer the following with reference to the story. Now these are the RTCs, reference to context. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? Tommy. What does it refers to? It refers to the books. What is it being compared with by the speaker? Real books are compared with the telebooks. Now, second one is, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Who does they refer to? They refers to the grandfather's grandfather. What does regular means here? That mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher नहीं आते थे वहां पे. Who used to come over there to teach? A man. What is it contrasted with? Mechanical teacher is contrasted with a real man teacher. Okay. These all you will be getting in a PDF. So do not worry. यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ इसको एक explanation दे रहे हैं so that it will give you a small recap of the chapter and you will get to know that how many answers do you know. Just to make the things more clear, हम इसको discuss कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? Now see, here these are little longer questions. That is 30 words. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Tommy have the mechanical teacher and Margie also has the mechanical teacher. They do not have the real man teacher. Why does Margie's mother send for the county inspector? क्यों बुलाया था उनकी मम्मी ने county inspector को? Because even after continuously giving the tests in geography, her performance was getting worse and worse. What did he do? County inspector ने क्या किया? He took the teacher apart, just looked at it, diagnosed the problem, solve it. That is, the mechanical teacher was geared at a higher level and he adjusted it back to a average 10-year level so that now Margie should perform good. Why was Margie doing badly in geography and what did the county inspector do to help her? Same answer. Margie doing badly in geography because its geography teacher was geared a little to higher level. And what did the county inspector do to help her? He set it to an average 10-year-old level so that Margie could perform good. What had happened once happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy's history teacher once completely blanked out and it was taken away for about a month. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yes, Margie has a regular days and hours for school. Except Saturday and Sunday, her teacher used to come on time every day at fixed hours. Why? Because Margie's mother thinks, क्या सोचती थी Margie की मम्मी? That if little girls taught at regular hours, they learn better. अगर चीज को रेगुलर आवर्स पे छोटे बच्चों को सिखाया जाए ना, so they have the capability of learning the things far better. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Tommy ने कैसे describe किया old kind of school को? He says that in old kind of school there was a special building where the teacher and student used to go and where the teacher was a man teacher. He used to explain the things to the students, give them homework and ask them questions. How does he describe the old kind of teacher? They were man, they were human beings. they used to come to the school building and teach the students. Now, lengthy questions, big ones. What are the main features of mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Maggie and Tommy have in the story? Same, main features of mechanical teachers and the school rooms, that everything was virtual teachers were the mechanical ones. Slots होते थे homework के लिए and everything. Whatever you have studied in this chapter ना, वो पूरा explanation आपको इस answer में देना है. So this you can do it yourself also. Why did Maggie hate school? She hated school. Why? Because she was alone. She didn't have any classmate, and continuously she had tests and homeworks. And she hated the part most was the slot where she has to insert the homework as well as the test paper. Why did she think the old schools, kind of schools, must have been fun? Because there, all the neighborhood kids used to go together to school, shout, play, sit together in the school, and come back home together. And along with that, all were studying the same thing. So, if there is any problem in learning to one kid, so others can help him or her. And do you agree that with Maggie, that schools today are more fun than the schools in the story? Give reason for your answer. Yes, of course. The same answer that we gave in the last question, ना, कि साथ में आना, खेलना, कूदना, बैठना, खाना, पढ़ना, and सबने एक ही चीज पढ़नी, so that अगर किसी को कोई difficulty आ रही है, so other is ready to solve it. And coming school together, enjoying and studying, doing both the activities, going back together home is a great fun. So companionship is always very nice. If you have classmates, you always feel good at school. And if you do not have classmates with you, so school you find boring, right? So that is why, yes, we do agree with Maggie that schools today, what we are having, are more fun than the schools in the story. In the story, which kind of schools we studied? That were the virtual classrooms in the year 2157. But we are talking of present. Which schools are more fun? The present day schools. Yes, of course, we do agree with Marky that today's schools are more fun than the schools described in the story. Okay, clear everything? Now you will be getting the PDF of it, and उसके बाद में आप इन questions को अच्छे से properly you will be completing the work and sending it to me for checking. Okay, so this is all for our class today. Go through the chapter. If you find any sort of difficulty, just let me know. I am there to solve it and will be taking care कि आप हर चीज को properly and with the time and along with the class, each and every fact is clear to you. Okay, students, so take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe, and it's time to study hard. And just from the beginning, you start studying hard. Okay, so take care of yourself, and we'll be meeting in our next class, same time tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.